you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm going to show you how to season your chicken wings the way you get them in those fancy restaurants or those fast food places that taste so good. All right, I'm going to tell you the secret. I'm going to show you. The first step is dry off your wings, okay? Paper towel. They will not season correctly if your wings are full of water. You got to dry them off, okay? I'm just using paper towel, nothing special, all right? Getting all that moisture off the wings. Then take you a plastic bag, put them in. Make sure they're nice and dried off, but not wet, okay? Now I want you all to go out, get you some wings tonight, and follow me. The first person that follows me doing this recipe and sends in their photo is going to get a special gift from me. I will mail it directly to you, okay? All right, now you heard me. Come on now. I got something nice for you all. I hope you enjoy. All right, dry this off. Okay. I got all my wings dried off and they're in the bag. First thing you're gonna do, take some Italian seasoning. Cover your wings. Almost a tablespoon, at least a tablespoon of food. Because I've got, 8 wings in here? I'm gonna mix that around. I'm gonna cover with some black pepper. Okay? I'm going to use some garlic powder. A teaspoon to a tablespoon. Or until you think that's enough. I'm going to put in some salt-free seasoning. Now this also has a lemon flavor to it and some pepper. So this will give you that lemon pepper seasoning you so crave on your wings. Okay? Now, I'm going to use something you don't usually see me cook with, but I do sometimes cook with, only because it has the lowest salt content I have found so far. Lowry seasoned salt. It's not real salty, but I'm going to use this sparingly, okay? Just enough to dust over the wings. That's it. Okay? Now, if you are so inclined and want some of those Popeyes Louisiana fried chicken wings, add you some red pepper or cayenne pepper. I'm putting in some red pepper flakes. You don't have to. Just gonna give them some spice. Now, last but not least, add you some onion powder. Enough to cover them. Girls, stop over there wrestling. Stop that. Nina, Miss Nina, stop that. They want to wrestle every time I get onto a video. Now, take your bag, massage your wings, okay? So make sure that's closed up. This will be good and spicy. Shake them around, massage them. Oh yeah. Make sure every wing is covered with that seasoning. You're massaging it in. Don't be afraid to rub the meat that you're cooking, okay? It's in a plastic bag, you're all good, okay? Now, you're gonna sit this in your refrigerator overnight. When you're ready to eat these tomorrow, we're gonna show you part 2. I'm gonna show you how you season your flour and everything. And we're gonna cook them up and you're gonna have the best wings ever. Follow me now, okay? Part 2 is tomorrow. I know I'm such a stinker. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go to part 2 tomorrow. You gonna follow me? All right now, we're gonna see. Let me put this in the refrigerator.